Good morning, children and parents. How are you? Today I am going to tell about beginning sounds. जैसे कि हम ये वाला X है तो इसको हम बोलेंगे विच इज़ द बिगनिंग साउंड ऑफ X, तो बच्चा बोलेगा ए. ओके, हम बोलेंगे विच इज़ द बिगनिंग साउंड ऑफ X, तो बच्चा बोलेगा ए. लेट्स स्टार्ट. Which is the beginning sound of X? A. Which is the beginning sound of ankle? A. Which is the beginning sound of ant? A. Which is the beginning sound of arrow? A. Which is the beginning sound of bear? B. Which is the beginning sound of bag? B. Which is the beginning sound of bus? B. Which is the beginning sound of bat? B. Which is the beginning sound of car? Kh. Which is the beginning sound of cake? Kh. Which is the beginning sound of cap? Kh. Which is the beginning sound of cat? Kh. Next is, which is the beginning sound of drum? D. Which is the beginning sound of dice? D. Which is the beginning sound of deer? D. Which is the beginning sound of dog? D. Next is, which is the beginning sound of egg? A. Which is the beginning sound of elephant? A. Which is the beginning sound of elbow? A. Which is the beginning sound of engine? A. Which is the beginning sound of fan? Which is the beginning sound of fish? Which is the beginning sound of frog? Which is the beginning sound of fire? Which is the beginning sound of grapes? G. Which is the beginning sound of goat? G. Which is the beginning sound of gift? G. Which is the beginning sound of girl? G. Which is the beginning sound of horse? Which is the beginning sound of hand? Which is the beginning sound of hat? Which is the beginning sound of house? Which is the beginning sound of India? I. Which is the beginning sound of ink? I. Which is the beginning sound of insect? I. Which is the beginning sound of injection? I. Which is the beginning sound of jeep? J. Which is the beginning sound of jam? J. Which is the beginning sound of jacket? J. Which is the beginning sound of jug? J. Next is, which is the beginning sound of kite? K. Which is the beginning sound of king? K. Which is the beginning sound of key? K. Which is the beginning sound of cattle? K. Which is the beginning sound of leaf? L. Which is the beginning sound of lemon? L. Which is the beginning sound of lips? L. Which is the beginning sound of leg? L. Which is the beginning sound of man? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of mango? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of mat? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of mouse? Mm. And next is mm. Which is the beginning sound of nose? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of needle? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of net? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of nest? Mm. Which is the beginning sound of orange? O. Which is the beginning sound of ox? O. Which is the beginning sound of oil? O. Which is the beginning sound of octopus? O. Which is the beginning sound of pig? P. Which is the beginning sound of pencil? P. Which is the beginning sound of ferret? P. Which is the beginning sound of plant? P. Qu. Which is the beginning sound of queen? Qu. Which is the beginning sound of quail? Qu. Which is the beginning sound of quill? Qu. Which is the beginning sound of quilt? Qu. Which is the beginning sound of rainbow? Ir. Which is the beginning sound of rose? Ir. Which is the beginning sound of ring? Ir. Which is the beginning sound of rain? Ir. Which is the beginning sound of soup? S. Which is the beginning sound of sofa? S. Which is the beginning sound of star? S. Which is the beginning sound of sun? S. T. Which is the beginning sound of top? T. Which is the beginning sound of table? T. Which is the beginning sound of turtle? T. Which is the beginning sound of tomato? T. Which is the beginning sound of umbrella? A. Which is the beginning sound of uncle? A. Which is the beginning sound of up? A. Which is the beginning sound of unlock? A. Which is the beginning sound of van? Woo. Which is the beginning sound of vase? Woo. Which is the beginning sound of violin? Woo. Which is the beginning sound of vegetables? Woo. Next is, which is the beginning sound of wall? W. Which is the beginning sound of watch? W. Which is the beginning sound of watermelon? W. Which is the beginning sound of water? W. Which is the beginning sound of khas in box? Khas. Which is the beginning sound of khas in fox? Khas. Which is the beginning sound of X-ray? Khas. Which is the beginning sound of khas in mix? Khas. Which is the beginning sound of york? Y. Which is the beginning sound of yarn? Y. Which is the beginning sound of yellow? Y. Which is the beginning sound of yak? Y. Which is the beginning sound of zip? Z. Which is the beginning sound of ju? Z. Which is the beginning sound of zero? Z. Which is the beginning sound of zigzag? Z. ऐसे ही आपने ये वाले वर्ड्स बोलने हैं और बच्चे को इसकी बिगिनिंग साउंड पूछनी है। थैंक यू।